Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Namaskar, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum. It's your boy, Dr. Food, aka Mr. Food. I am in the middle of nowhere, somewhere in the street of India, just trying to survive. What am I doing here? I just have this vision and the passion to test all the street food here in India before leaving. I don't know how possible that will be, but I will try. So help me God. So I would like you to be part of this journey of mine and watch me survive. Please, anytime you see this video, subscribe, comment, share. Please, join this family and see how I survive. Please, I would like you to be part of this journey. So, what am I eating today? I'm eating masala dosa. Masala dosa. Come, let's go. Let me show you how masala dosa look like. Let's go. masala dosa. So I want to test the masala dosa and see how it tastes. Let's see. This is the sauce. You see, this is the sauce of the masala dosa. I don't know what this sauce is made of, but this is the stuff. Mark you, this video is just for entertainment, not more. My mom always tell me to eat healthy, so because of that, I have to check this food if it's healthy for me to eat.
This man! You were not informed too. Continue.
Oh, Mumu not too much. You be Mumu. You think say they wise. You are a Mumu man.
You only you waka come. Okay.
Photo. Not be juju be that.
It's 100% healthy to eat. So let's eat masala dosa and see how masala dosa tastes like.
70 years old man.
You were not informed too. Continue. No problem. God will see us. There is God. There is God in everything we are doing.
Let me try soda sauce. I like it. Nice. I would like to try it again. Wow. This is great. This is great. Wow. I like this. Let me try this other sauce. Nice, 100% nice. I like it. Wow. So thank you for watching this very video. I would like you to be part of this journey of mine. I would like to try all kind of food, all street food here in India before leaving. I don't know how possible that will be, but I will try my best. So I would like you to be part of this journey of mine and see how I survive this. Okay? Subscribe, comment, share this video anytime you see this video. Please, I'm begging. It's very important. Very important. So till we meet again, as you can see, my name is Dr. Food, aka Mr. Food. Peace.
Salam alaikum. Alaikum assalam.